Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you can't log into your Squarespace account, or your website dashboard just won't load, don't really panic, because in today's small tutorial, I will show you how to fix your login isn't working in Squarespace in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, you should go all the way and check your login. Make sure you basically keep it somewhere safe, maybe offline or even in your desktop menu. It depends on you. So we're gonna go look for Squarespace, go to the login, enter our email address and password. Then it's usually working. If it didn't work for you, you will see a problem. You should verify your password carefully, your email address carefully. If you still have this problem, just tap on reset my password, or click on forgot my password and follow the instructions and the reset steps. But if you are still going through the same problem, try and clear the browser's cache and cookies, since all data can block login sessions. Disable any VPNs or proxies, since VPNs can interfere with login security, we all know this. Then try a different browser or device to see if the issue is device or browser specific. Then check the Squarespace status page by going here, Squarespace status. For example, we're gonna hit enter. As you see here, you just go in and see if it's fully down. You even can go to down detector and see all of this information here. Then contact the Squarespace support as a last resort. We're gonna go and submit a ticket if login still fails. And that's it. So thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.